Hello everyone, this is the Candle Trek, and today also we'll be looking at what trades I took, what mistakes I did. But these are some of the rules that I follow. I still have to master those which are in red. So yeah, let's jump into my trades and let's see what trades I took and yeah, what was the trade placement, what was the stop loss, and all of those. So yeah, as you can see over here, I traded a lot today. But again, I missed out at those places where it was actually trending, and I was trading at those places where it was not trending, it was choppy. So I had to go at those places and be somewhere else. That's why I missed all of those big moves that you see over here, and I traded in those tiny ranges actually. They were trending, but at this scale, it looks trend range. Let's actually go back to those trades and see how did I see the market today. So the first trade that I took today was when was it? So let's actually sort it like this. 13:13. It is around over here. Yeah. So the first trade that I took was this one, and as you can see, this is a very obvious trade as the market was making new lows. Okay, this was the first trade, not that one. This was the first trade. These candles actually might look very big, but they are not, right? Let me show you one thing. We can add any horizontal line over here. I have no idea how to add. I have added one, but I forgot how it is added. Is it Alt H? No, it is not Alt H. Is it Insert Indicators Objects? Horizontal line. Okay. So let's insert one horizontal line over here just to show you that at what range these were trending. So see, this is like maximum peaks are at 0.36. The average over here, okay, it's not coming down. Let's edit its position. I don't know if I can pull it down like this. Let's actually edit this. Okay, oh, I guess I can move it from here. Yeah. So yeah, see, it is around 0.2, which is a very like small movement. Each candle over here are just 0.2 big, right? So even though this trade looks like it is a very big trade, but it is not. If you see, it is just like 6 points, right? So that's why I actually cut off this trade because as the market was not moving, I thought let's wait for a while and then we'll trade. But yeah, I could not hold myself when I see those opportunities. As I saw over here, this was a pretty good pullback and it was going down, so I took a trade. It was a good entry, but it hit a stop loss. Not I not I'm not actually sad or angry about that. It was quite good. I'm actually angry about the trades that are about to come now because I don't know why I took them. This was again a reasonable trade. Uh, it was breaking the low, so I thought it is gonna go down again. So yeah, I just entered over here. But after that, this was a very unreasonable trade. This trade is what 7.7. This one very unreasonable trade. The market did not break any major structures. It should have broken this high, at least lower high, to confirm it is an uptrend. I still entered on it, and yeah, not a very good idea. So it took me out, and as I was thinking, it took me out. It is gonna go in my direction. It did, but it was not a good entry actually. It was not a good entry. The good entry might have been somewhere around here. It would have again taken my stop loss, but it would have been good entry somewhere around over here. Anyways, so again, this is a very bad entry. Why? What I was seeing now, after all of this, what I saw is, wait a minute, it is still in a like a bear trend or downtrend, because see this high, it made this high, did not break any of those. It came somewhere around here. I thought let's enter a sell trade again, and again I just took my stop loss. So it's very big candles. The market actually started to move from here. So these were those big candles, and I guess at this point New York opens, so volume is also increasing and the candles are also bigger. So I did not trade in this range. I only entered over here because what I thought is, yeah, it broke down, it broke up. It is a good pullback. Let's enter over here. So good entry, but I did not see the big picture. Okay. If you see the bigger picture, what was happening, it was still in a downtrend. I don't know. Yeah, so when it broke this low, what now I was seeing is this high, it could not make a new high, so it is going down. So I entered a sell trade over here, and this sell trade was in profit, this one, 10, and it was only on 0.07, not on even 0.05. So yeah, I traded on 0.07, so it was a pretty good trade. I mean, I cashed on this thing, but yeah, this was now the trades that you see over here are pretty dumb. For example, as it moved this much, after just one candle pullback, I tried to jump in again on a short trade. I actually cut this off because now I was thinking, no, it is actually not gonna move in my direction. So I just cut it off with a very small loss, very small, almost negligible. But I don't know why I entered again. That was stupid. I entered again on a sell trade. That was totally stupid. And this was, if you see, the low of the day. When are these trades happening? If you see, yeah, this was the low of the day. I was entering short at the low of the day with no extra confirmation or something like that, right? It was not a prevailing trade or a strong trend. I just wanted to jump on it. So this is something that I need to work on. After that, I again entered a short. Although it has clearly broken this high, it is almost like broken this high. So it should actually be moving upwards. This was a pretty stupid trade. And then I understood, okay, I'm doing all of these things wrong. Let's actually enter in a proper direction now. So on this trade, which was again on zero point 0.1 lot only, so I entered a good buy trade. So this was a good trade. If you ask me why I cut off my trade over here, I have no idea. I just thought it moved a lot, so it is time for a pullback, and it did go to a pullback after that. So that was actually, this is happening coincidentally since last few days actually. So yeah, I just enter in the peak and it again starts to fall down. So it is actually coincidental. I don't plan any of these. It just happens. After this pullback, I could not enter the market. The reason is I was not looking at the market. See, this massive move and I missed it. I literally know if I had seen the market, I would have literally entered somewhere around over here at least. Right? I totally missed this move. I regret this one. This is just this big and it is 22 points. Just imagine, this is like I would have at least cut off somewhere around over here, right? This move also would have been 25 to 30 points. So yeah, I did not enter over here. After that, I went jumped in as it was a pullback, good pullback. I entered over here because yeah, obviously why not? It is a very good entry, but it did not move in my direction. That is not the point. It is a good entry though. Okay, I would not have known that it is going downtrend. I have no idea I would have known that. So I entered like to the best of my current knowledge at that time, and it was a good entry. And I cut it off as soon as I understood it is not going anywhere. It is just stuck over here, right? So that's why I stopped it, cut it off. And then if you see, I entered on a short over here. Why? Because now I was seeing, wait, this happened, this came over here. The candles have somehow started to become smaller. It is losing the momentum, so it will actually go down. So I entered a short, very good entry again. And in this short, actually I could not manage the trade. I had to again attend a meeting. So I actually put the stop loss somewhere around over here, and yeah, just left this trade. Okay, so it went on like 15 points of profit, and yeah, it was a pretty good profit actually. But yeah, I missed on all of this. If you just see over here, if I was in this trade, I can literally see me adding at different points. For example, the first place I would have added is somewhere around over here. I at least have left the market, okay, if not added. So somewhere around over here, because it was stuck in a range. If you see it in this perspective, it is stuck and it can go anywhere. It is actually literally the same position as this one. It is stuck. It would go anywhere. So after it broke down, right? After it broke down with this big candle, I would have entered a short. Just while this candle was falling, I would have entered a short with a very small stop loss, and it would again have been a pretty good profit. So I missed on all of these. Right now it is in an uptrend. It is a good place to enter long, but what I again think is it is kind of getting rejected from this high. So it might actually be a very good point to go on a short. So I have no idea if I put a trade. I don't know, it would be like literally live trading, but I would have like wait for this trade. I need to wait for this trade for at least 20-30 minutes. So I cannot be for that long right now. So yeah, let's trade tomorrow. And this is the summary of today. I guess this is summary for like summary of almost every day. I lose, and lose almost like 20, 30, 40 points in the beginning and again recover back. So that is something that is happening almost every day. So what I need to control is that losing streak in the beginning, right? If I control that, that would be pretty good. Because I guess if I did not lose on any of these, you could literally see if I, okay, I could not like predicted most of these. At least a few of them were pretty stupid trades. So suppose like 20 points from here. So 6 and 10 is 16, 16 and 15 is 40, and 20 is 60 points. I was still in 40 points of profit if I did not take these stupid trades in the middle, right? So it was a good day. Somehow 9 points is not that good day, but I recovered almost all of my losses that I made, so that's why it was a good day. Anyways, that's all for today. See you guys tomorrow.